Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Snapchat notifications. So if your Snapchat notifications are not working, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. Here you will see your avatar, just tap on it. Now you are in your profile. On the right top you will see settings, just scroll up, and now you have to search for the notifications. So you can find it right here, just tap on it. Make sure these all the tick buttons is selected, and once you will do it, um, your Snapchat notification will start working. If it's not still working, tap a while on the Snapchat, go to the info, and here you will see storage and the cache. Simply clear cache from here, and uh, maybe your Snapchat notification will start work. And if it's still not working, simply uninstall the Snapchat application and install Snapchat application again. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.